Let's talk about luggage. I think you're gonna like this. I'm going to Crete, and I'm taking you with me. Greetings, Alan, KARL, WorldRider here. Still in Athens, here in Marina Zea, but I thought I'd just give you a little bit of story, okay? Like, what does a guy or a girl or anyone do if they're stuck in Athens without their luggage, especially when that luggage includes important gear like motorcycle riding gear, helmet, boots, jacket, all that stuff? What does one do? So let me tell you how to spend 17 days waiting for your luggage here in Athens. I think you're going to like this. Perhaps the most important thing to do when you come back to Athens, if you're like me, this has been base camp for the past 5 years as I've traveled the region, is reconnecting with old friends. Yeah. And of course, making new friends, like Willem from the Netherlands, who's an incredible, accomplished drone pilot. I wish I had some of his footage to share with you. And then there is Leo, a young South African kid who is a ship hand on one of the big yachts that come in and out of Marina Zea and take tourists on Mediterranean cruises. He was having a lot of fun that night, as I'm sure you could tell. And though I wanted to ride my motorcycle on the island of Paros in the Kyklades Islands there in the Aegean, that didn't happen because I didn't have my gear. But I took a ferry anyway, out to the island, and on the boat, man, I met Chef Yeleni. She was an amazing chef because she was preparing and cooking food for my brother and his friends who had rented a villa there on Paros, engaged her to cook some amazing meals. So on Paros, it was fantastic because I got to connect with my brother Jonathan, Maria, my two nieces, Emily and Anna, and their friends, Paul and Karen and their family. So we did what you do when you're on Paros. You eat, you drink, you go to the beaches, you take a boat ride, and you visit some mountain villages, beautiful scenic mountain villages like Lefkas. Paros was a great island. We even went wine tasting there. Now back in Athens, well, of course, you know, I got to go and hang out with George, Alex, and Dimitros and the whole clan at Vianelis BMW shop who were looking after my bike. Every detail, pretty incredible. And of course, I bide several days a week, a few hours here in my favorite lounge and coffee bar, Barong, where I've become a local. Everybody here knows my name and welcome me and help me get my laptop suited. And one day I came in without the laptop, and I had a string of 5 of the servers come up to me. It's like, Alan, where's the laptop? Fearing it had gotten stolen or something. But this is Barong, and every day they offer me something. Can we bring you something on the house, Alan? So nice. Love in Greece. You know, also, while you've got time to buy in Athens, why not get a local shoe shine? Well, in the case of me, a sandal shine. These sandals have just been abused for years. I can't think of the last time I or anyone else put this much attention into a shoe sandal shine. And wow, what a cool shine box. And can we talk about the food? Let's talk a little bit about the food. Oh my God. Amazing meals here in Athens. But there's one meal that was extra special. I had an incredible multi-course meal by a Michelin-starred chef, 2 Michelin-starred chefs, at the National Opera Complex here in Athens. It's a beautiful facility, but the restaurant's up on the top floor. It's called Delta. And man, not only was the food amazingly delicious, it looked so good too. Each piece a work of art. And I also come here just to stroll along the dock and look at these amazing yachts. That's how life has been here in Athens while waiting 17 days for my luggage. And my luggage? Let's talk about luggage. Well, I finally got it just a few days ago in 2 troughs. The first bag came in late afternoon. The red one that had all my motorcycle gear. It was delivered to me destroyed in a big black trash bag. Everything seems to be intact. I don't think anything got broken and nothing was lost, so that's a good thing. The second bag, the silver little duffel, came late night the next day. And that was, of course, fully intact, no problem. So now with my gear, my motorcycle gear, all my clothing, all the other supplies that I carefully packed before leaving San Diego to come here to Athens and journey on. So my journey really starts tomorrow as I hop on another ferry with my motorcycle to Crete. That's right, I'm going to Crete and I'm taking you with me. Let's go.
Thank you for tuning in to WorldRider-TV. Hit the subscribe button and you won't miss any new action.